Hey guys, before you watch the video, I just wanted to let you know that right now Sakara is having their end of year sale, and until November 27th, you can get 25% off store-wide on any and all products, supplements, signature nutrition meal delivery kits, and anything in their holiday shop. 25% off store-wide, so grab the link in my bio and use the code XODEB at checkout. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Deborah Smith. I'm a holistic health coach, a plant-based chef, and a former juice bar owner. And this channel is dedicated to simple, healthy recipes that are going to help you feel vibrant, have a lot of energy, and also help to reduce risk of chronic illness as you age. So today's video, I have been asked by a lot of people about my posting about Sakara's signature nutrition plant-based delivery. And I thought that I would take a minute to show you what's inside the box and sort of break down for you what you get when you order this and why I do it. So in today's video, I wanted to address questions that people have sent to me about the Sakara plant-based signature nutrition meal program. Why would a plant-based chef and a holistic health coach who has a channel dedicated to healthy cooking order a meal delivery kit? That's a great question. So I just got this delivery and I thought, let me record what's actually in the box, share the breakdown with you of what I'm getting, why I ordered it, how much I paid, and how you can also get it, and what I think it's beneficial for. So first and foremost, I do work as a health coach and I love to cook. If you've watched any of my other videos, I'm very passionate about simple, healthy, nutritious meals. I find that it really helps support my business, helps me with my relationships. I feel healthier as I age, and I just love to cook. But I'm also a very busy entrepreneur. I'm part of a busy household, and I love to travel. So I order the Sakara signature nutrition meal service when I know that I'm going to be so busy with meetings, with travel, or taking care of other just busy aspects of my life, or dealing with my family or whatever it might be, that I don't really have time to cook at the quality that I want for my life. So I have standards. I want to be eating fresh, whole, plant-based foods. I want delicious and well-rounded, nutritious meals. And that can take some time. I do a lot of prep on the weekends. I put a lot of thought into meal planning so that we get a balanced spectrum of vibrant, colorful foods, but I can't always do it. So when I know I'm gonna have a busy week, or for example, this week I ordered it because we were traveling all last week. My husband and I just got home, so I wanted to make sure we had healthy food available without me having to cook so I can play catch up. So let's open the box and I'll show you what's inside. So I ordered just lunch and dinner. You can order breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can order just breakfast. You can order 2 days a week, 3 days a week, or 5 days a week. So the way they offer it is Monday through Friday service. You can either do just Monday through Wednesday, just Thursday and Friday, or all of Monday through Friday. And you also get to choose if you want just breakfast and lunch, just lunch and dinner, just dinner. So you get to choose when you're on the subscription plan. There's a lot of flexibility with what you order. And so everything is packaged in kind of a secure packaging so it doesn't get jostled around. And then I've got 3 days worth of lunch and dinner here. So I do the 3-day plan. And then in the bottom, it's just more ice packs to keep everything really cold. The other thing I got in here is this little additional packet. And this is a weekly supplement pack. So I'm gonna open this first. Let's see what's inside. It's well packaged. Yeah, so in here, I've got my complete probiotic, gut health, anti-bloat, immunity, and skin radiance. And there's gonna be 10 capsules in there of a high quality food-based probiotic that I take one every single morning. It really helps with digestion. It helps with gut health. And then I've also got samples of Sakara's detox tea. So they just send those out. It's a great way to take care of an afternoon craving right there, is the Sakara detox tea. And then so for my meals, I don't even know what I ordered this week. I did it so long ago, I don't remember. So I've got the Gardens of Babylon burger, and they always tell you any cooking instructions, and there's a superfood spotlight on the lid there. So it tells me that the grains of paradise, which is a member of the ginger family, is the spotlight today. This peppery West African spice is thought to work wonders for your metabolic function. It's been shown to transform stubborn, stored fat into metabolism boosting tissue that helps to enhance energy and build a body you love. So yes, please, on the Gardens of Babylon burger. That's probably gonna be what I have for dinner tonight. I'll read you the other ones because this is fun. So I've also got the butterfly bowl with tie-dye carrots. Oh, and by the way, the ingredients of every packaged salad is on the back. So also we've got the butterfly bowl with tie-dye carrots. Feature ingredient superfood spotlight is butterfly key flour. This is the youth and beauty salad with lemon honey dressing, superfood spotlight on pomegranate. Amazing. This one is the grilled cheese with caramelized onion jam, superfood spotlight, and this one is carrot. And so this says part 2, enjoy with your rustic tomato soup. Voila. So rustic tomato soup and a grilled cheese, amazing. We've got chili kissed beans here with a superfood spotlight being pinto beans. A Mediterranean chopped salad with pomegranate molasses dressing, delicious. And then finally, what is this gorgeous thing? A vitality boosting birria taco to be enjoyed with my chili kissed beans. So a taco and beans here. Superfood spotlight is jackfruit. So on the cover of every single Sakara dish, you're gonna get the breakdown of why they chose the superfood ingredients. On the back, every single ingredient and all the nutritional information. And here's the thing that I love about this meal delivery service and why I default to this when I know I can't cook. Because Sakara has gone above and beyond to target your metabolism and the health of the gut. So this is unlike any other delivery service that you will get. These are nutritionally designed meals that are programmed by a scientist who studies nutrition. The reason is because we know that our gut flora and fauna will flourish and become more healthy when there's a wide variety of different types of fibers for the gut bugs to digest. So we need to be tending to that healthy gut flora, and a variety of different plant-based foods is what's going to do that. It's hard, think about it, if you cooked your own meal program, maybe you would cook sweet potatoes and have some kale that day. That's 2 different varieties of fiber. Think about getting 30 or 40 different varieties in a given week. It's a lot of chopping and cutting, or you can have it done for you. So when I know I can't do it myself, I love to order Sakara. I also got in this delivery the Energy Effervescent. This is loaded with vitamin B12, which is really hard to get when you are consuming a primarily plant-based diet. So it's a supplement. I just pour that into like an 8-ounce glass of water and it fizzes up. I put some ice in there. It's like having a cocktail, only it's good for you. And then I also got the Sakara Beauty and Detox Water Drop Duo. I love this stuff so much. So basically what this is doing is adding the minerals back into our water, because a lot of the water is, there's so much additives in the water, and then we filter it all out, and it also strips the water of a lot of really good minerals that we need. So these drops, I put about a dropper full into about 12 ounces of water every single day. I add it to my seltzer. You can even add this to a cocktail or a smoothie or a juice. And then this one is pure chlorophyll, and this is really helpful for getting a ton of phytochemicals into your system. It's a really dark green liquid color. These are chlorophyll drops. They help to detox the liver. They help to boost the immune system, highly cleansing, great for metabolism. So I love these, and these are cheap. You can get them, the duo is like 30 bucks and they last a really long time. So I love those. And in terms of cost, I have a subscription, and so I stay on the subscription and I just pause it for the weeks that I don't want to get it. I'm not a rich woman. You know, I have a budget that I follow for my groceries and my food, but I prioritize my nutrition and my health of my household. I know that when I'm eating vibrant, rich, fresh, whole foods on a regular basis, I thrive. I'm able to do physical exercise that keeps my body healthy, my muscles tone. I'm much more clear-minded and focused at work. I get more done. I'm more productive. I earn more money. I help more people in my business. So eating a healthy, plant-based, nutritionally balanced meal plan is a really top priority for me. So when I do order this, because I'm on the subscription plan and I only do 3 days usually, and I usually just do 2 meals a day, like lunch and dinner, I think the total winds up being around 150 to 160, I believe it is. And so that's 6 meals. I try to do a really well-balanced, nutritionally balanced breakfast. So if I was doing, let's say, oatmeal for my breakfast, I would make sure to include, so the oats is a whole grain, there's some protein there, but it's also a source of healthy carbohydrate. So I would add to that flax meal for healthy fat, fresh fruit for a healthy carb, maybe some walnuts for another healthy fat. I would try to make sure I'm getting a balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fat in my breakfast every day. Another example of a really balanced breakfast like that would be a piece of whole wheat toast with a half of an avocado mashed onto it and a hard-boiled egg or 2. So that would be a really great nutritionally balanced way to start my day. And so then I love knowing that I can plan for a 12 o'clock break in my day, and then my lunch is basically ready for me. Maybe I would spend a few minutes heating it up, but otherwise I've got a huge variety of plant fibers. You know, imagine used to the beauty salad, for example. Look at all these ingredients: lemon juice, wildflower, honey, garlic, Himalayan sea salt, mixed greens, carrots, English cucumbers, red beets, watermelon radish, pomegranate seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, micro mint, and made with a high quality organic and gluten-free ingredients. That's like 12 different varieties of plant right there in my one lunch salad. So it's worth it to me to support my gut health. I have really healthy digestion. I'm not sluggish. I'm not crashing at 3 p.m. You know, it matters. So I'm going to post a link below this video. You can grab my link and use the code XODEB when you check out at Sakara, and it's going to get you automatically 20% off of your purchase. I hope you found this helpful. I know a lot of people have had questions about why a health coach and a nutrition coach would order somebody else's food, but the answer is really simple. It's because I prioritize my health. I prioritize nutrition as an investment in my business. And when I can't do it at top quality, I want to make sure that I'm not skimping on nutrition. So click the link in my bio, explore all the amazing nutrition products and supplements, and enjoy.